toy fans, this time we are taking a look at a SpongeBob toy. This is the huge, the awesome camper van playset. And here they are, SpongeBob and Patrick in front of their camper van, and I have to say straight away, this is one awesome toy. You will see exactly why shortly. Let's have a look first at those figures. We get a thumbs up SpongeBob, and we get an excited looking Patrick. This camper van does come with lots of features. It does come with opening doors, we have lots of opening windows included as well. We have two storage area opening doors at the back. Inside we do have a slide out piece which does contain lots of awesome accessories. We have two fold out deck chairs, and there is a picnic table. There is also a fold out canopy that you can slot into the side of the van. We have a bike rack on the rear, and we have a set of ladders as well that fold out. On the roof we have this storage box which you can take off and it does open. We also get an opening sunroof. On one side we have an opening storage area, and we have a smaller storage area on the other side. We also have fold down steps as well. The rear section pulls out. We do have the tow bar and a flip up section. Now comes the interesting part. The whole roof does slide away to reveal the inside of the camper van. There are some very cool features inside. We have retractable chairs. At the front we have a dining table section with the seats as well. We even have a sink with a cooker right next to it, and we have a toilet with a shower and a sink which you can move. You can even close the toilet seat, which is amazing. Plus you can close the door to the toilet by sliding it. We even have a wardrobe with an opening door. And at the rear we have the sleeping area for Patrick and SpongeBob to catch a few Z's. Thanks for watching, and I will see you here next time on Toy Review TV.